Did you know that virtually every modern historian, whether they are Christian, atheist, Jewish, or agnostic, completely agrees that Jesus of the Nazareth was a real living person? A lot of people online claim Jesus was just a myth like Hercules or Zeus, but the actual historical data tells us a completely different story. Today, we are ignoring the theology and looking strictly at the cold, hard, non-Christian historical evidence. This is Ophel Mzansi. Please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe so that I can bring you more content like this. Thank you. First up, let's look at the Romans. If Jesus was made up, Roman historians who hated Christians wouldn't have written about him. This argument persists that skepticism regarding the existence of Jesus is encountered by records of contemporary adversaries who had no incentive to validate a movement they actively despised. The passage then transitions to a specific primary source. Enter Cornelius Tacitus. He is widely considered one of the Rome's greatest and most reliable historians by anchoring the claim to Tacitus. That text highlights how the consensus among classical scholars regarding his historical rigor adds significant weight to the documentation of Jesus within the Roman imperial record. Around the year 105 AD, there was a fire in Rome, known as the Great Fire of Rome. Tacitus explained how Emperor Nero blamed a group called Christians. He explicitly wrote,
Christus, from whom the name had its origin, suffered the extreme penalty during the reign of Tiberius at the hands of one of our procurators, Pontius Pilatus.
Next, we have Flavius Josephus. He was a 1st century Jewish general who surrendered to Rome and wrote a massive history book for the Roman Emperor. In his writings, Josephus records the execution of a church leader named James. But look at how he identifies him. He calls him the brother of Jesus, who was called Christ. Josephus had zero religious reasons to invent Jesus. To him, Jesus was just a well-known local historical figure used to explain who James was. Hi guys, if you've made it this far, it means that you enjoyed the video. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe so that we can grow the channel, and I'll make sure that I give you the best and better content. Let's continue. Thank you. First, Jesus was baptized by John the Baptist. This event marks the beginning of his public ministry and is documented across multiple early independent sources. Second, Jesus was known as the teacher and healer who gathered a following in Galilee. Ancient texts, both Christian and non-Christian, reference his impact as a charismatic leader who challenged religious and social norms. Third, Jesus was crucified under Pontius Pilate, the Roman governor of Judea. This event is one of the most firmly established facts of his life, recorded not only in the Gospel, but also by the Roman historians like Tacitus and the Jewish historians like Josephus. Fourth, following his crucifixion, his disciples experienced what they believe were the appearance of the risen Jesus, leading to the rapid and unstoppable spread of the early Christian movement. Whether you believe Jesus was the Son of God is a matter of personal faith, but whether he walked the earth, spoke to crowds, and was executed by Rome, that is a matter of historical fact. History proves that Jesus was real. What surprised you the most about these Roman records? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more history breakdowns. This is Ophel Mzansi, and we'll see you in another one. Thank you.